Hello and welcome to this live stream. Let's see if we're live. I said hello, but hopefully we are. It says that I am. So say hi in the chat if you can hear me. Let's see if people were going to join. Just a short, not necessarily short, but just a chill live stream. Apparently on Social Blade it says that I have 3,000 subscribers, but on my phone it says that I don't yet. Hey Ahmed, how are you? Nice for you to join. So if I go to my channel, it says here I have 3k, but I think here it won't say 3k yet. See, it says 2,996. So we are 4 subscribers away, which is pretty nice. You can also see here some stats. Okay. Yeah, so it says, but the thing is that YouTube kind of changed their way of showing subscribers. So, for example, on Social Blade, you can only see them rounded depending on how many you have. So let's say if we go to privacy, we can only see, come on, search. See, we can only see the fixed number, 964,000, but he has probably a couple of hundreds here too. So yeah, it's not accurate anymore. Only here in the analytics section I can see a real count. So yeah, we're going to wait to make 3,000 subscribers. Maybe it's a way for me to take this count and pop it on the screen somehow. The good thing with, let me show you, whoops, not here, here. So the good thing with OBS is that I can have a browser source. Robin, hi, let's code together. Yeah, we can code something. I wanted to show you that, let's see. I created this, where is it? Countdown. So let me open it with yeah, let's open it with VS Code. Okay, 1 second. Check something. Okay, yeah, not this. Open recent countdown. Okay. So this here, it's a project I built, a countdown, because I wanted to see if I can add something on the screen. So see, this is the screen you're seeing, and I can add stuff on top of it. So I created this countdown, just a little bit of JavaScript and CSS. And if we run this here, open with live stream. So do you do oops, sorry. Do you do backend development or only front-end? I do backend a little bit with Node, not a lot. Anisha said, I thought you were on a vacation, not wait for more than 4 or 5 hours. Yeah, I take a day off every week. And so it was more than 4 to 5 hours. Okay, so you can see, let me maybe zoom in a little bit. I created this basic counter, which starts with 10 and goes down. And the cool part with OBS is that I can do the following. I can press the plus here and say browser, and let's see, counter. Okay, and now I can take a local file, which will be users Florin, where is it? Desktop work counter and index.html. Open. I have a width and a height here, 200 by 70. So let's set that. Oops, where is it? Where is that screen? Oh, here. So 200 by 70, and look at this. I click OK, and now you can see that counter appearing on the stream, which is fun because I can use this to say something like, let's code something in 10 minutes. You know? So that's fun. And basically you can do all sorts of things here. We can have, I don't know, a clock or whatever we want. We can use it as a browser source. Let's see, I have, where is it? Browser source, okay. We can maybe take this. That will be nice. Take this. But yeah, we'll have to refresh. Oh look, one more subscriber. I wonder why the alert didn't pop up. Working, it should have. So yeah, we can use this. Maybe it won't know because we're not logged in. But let's try. Browser, YouTube, something like that, and use the URL here. Okay, let's see what happens. Yeah, we have to sing in, so nah, doesn't work. Let's remove it. But we can use on the social blade, although as I said, this is not accurate. Oops, Skype. Okay, let me quickly not disturb. Now we should be fine. Oh, secunda. Oh, secunda. 1 second. Okay, congrats on 3K. Thanks, man. It's not yet 3K. It's 2,997. So we need 3 more people. Let's see if we refresh. 2 more people. Come on, come on. Almost 3K. Almost 3K. All right. So yeah, we can also have. Let's see. I have on CodePen. Let's take a project out there. Maybe this one. Look at this. So we can take this, the full version, like that, and pop in browser source, circle, and put the source here, and click OK. And look, now you can see that. It can stay here on top, and in the background I can do whatever I want. So that's cool, right? I mean, maybe it's a way to, I don't know, let's see, properties. I want it to be 400 by 400. Nah, I want to crop it. That's possible. Ahmad, give me 2 minutes, I have 2 accounts. Good. Body, we can pop in custom CSS. Let's see. What can I do? Yeah. Yeah, it's just fun. Okay, let's remove it. And also the counter. Now let's leave it and hide it. Okay. So now, yeah. I'm not sure why I can't see the new subscriber. Should pop up. Let's see. Two more. Let's see if we refresh. Oh, lots of one more subscriber. Fun. Let me quickly log into Streamlabs. And see why the subscriber count is not working. Should pop up on the screen for you. Login with YouTube. Yay. All widgets. Alert box. Oh, so let's fix it again. But I did it once. What happened? Oh, never mind. So no donation, subscribers, yeah, no member, super chat, merch. Okay. Copy this and change this. Let me move over. So remove this and add another one. Browser, alerts, okay, and the link there, okay. Now it should pop up. Hey man, you subscribed me to account. That's nice of you. Okay, so now if we test subscriber, let's see. Okay, Florian Bob subscribed. So yeah, unfortunately we missed the 9,000, but it's mad. So probably, let's see, we hit it. Not sure why. Whoa, 3,001. Nice, yay! Should have some happy animation somewhere, but I don't have, so I'm waving my hands. Thank you all for your appreciation and for your following and for everything you do. Really, it's really amazing. So thank you everyone. Thanks Slims, thanks Ahmed. You're really nice. Thank you. Okay. So now we have that. I'm not sure why it didn't work for a while. That's too bad because you can see, where is it? I keep hiding things. You can see that I have the custom one. What? Yeah. Let me know if you can see and hear it also. I can hear it. I'm not sure if you can. Thanks, Kalayarazan. Whoa. Hope I didn't mispronounce your name. Okay. Slim says that he's taking a break for coding course to come watch Florian code. Thanks, man. That's very, very nice of you. Okay. So that's done. Let's see. We can close this and maybe we'll do some coding. Let's pop this open. Okay. We can close this. Let's refresh once again. So see, yeah, 3001. Awesome. Awesome. Events, thanks for this great time. Thanks for joining. Okay. Maybe we should code something. Let's see if someone said anything. I'm in mood for some JavaScript coding challenges. What do you think? From Codewars. Because I like these. So maybe we should do some. Last time was fun. Let's try a couple. What do you think? Do you want me to do some JavaScript coding challenges? Or we code anything else? Let me know. I'll do anything you want. We're just a couple of people, so it should be relaxing and fun. Let me drink a little water and we can start. For tomorrow will be a nice stream. We're going to code something from a landing page from Front-End Mentors. Let's see, Front-End Mentor here. Tomorrow at 5 p.m. Lynn said a preloader. We can code a preloader, why not? So tomorrow we're going to pick one of these landing pages. Either this one or this one. Or this one, or they have a couple. This one. Whoa, they have a couple. So yeah, we're going to pick one tomorrow and do it from scratch. I hope I'll finish it. What settings are you using for OBS? My OBS recording is never crystal clear. I just the basics, and then to be honest, mine isn't crystal clear either. I mean, at least for me, not sure if you can notice that. But yeah, it's just 1080p and 30 frames per second and nothing more, just the basic settings, nothing fancy because I don't know what's going on there. So like Ned said, let's do a challenge for now. Okay, we'll do a challenge. Let me drink some more water. Karayarazan, could you teach CSS like boilerplate? Like from vanilla CSS? Or what do you mean? Maybe let's announce people from Twitter that I'm doing coding challenges in JavaScript. Maybe some more will join. So let's copy this. Doing some coding challenges using JavaScript. If this is something you're interested in, you can join us here. Okay, let's see how this looks. All right. Angeline, only 9 people watching. That's because I just said I'm going live and I went, so not a little people, not sorry, not a lot of people knew about it. Kalarazan, yeah, pure CSS. Yeah, I do that. I mostly use vanilla JavaScript, vanilla JavaScript and CSS. So yeah, come in and see me code. I did a live stream a couple of days ago. We built 3 animated CSS projects. Very fun projects. I like them a lot. Maybe I can quickly show you. You can also watch the live stream if you go on my page, and there is a video, you can watch it. So we built these 3 projects in the last live stream. My Mac is pretty slow tonight, not sure why. So we have this animation. When you click the button, it has the circles behind it. This is done with JavaScript and CSS, vanilla JavaScript and CSS. Then we have this mesmerizing animation. Okay, and then we build this also. When you click here on the inputs, you can see the letters go up nicely. So yeah, if you're interested, you can find the videos in my channel. Okay, let's do some JavaScript coding challenges here. Let me know if this is big enough for you. Let's start with something simple. Write a method that will search an array of strings for all strings that contain another string, ignoring capitalization. Then return an array of the found strings. The method takes 2 parameters, the query string and an array of strings to search, and returns an array. If the string isn't contained in any strings, okay, nothing. Example. If the string to search is me and the array to search is home, milk, okay, the method return home and Mercury. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. So we have a query and an array of strings, and we have to find if this query is found inside the array. So that's pretty simple. Let's see. So we have the sequence array. We can do a filter on it. So we can return sequence filter, and here we have a string, and then we can do something like, I think it includes, so string. And we also have to consider that it's not where it says ignoring capitalization. So we can do string to lowercase. This will convert the entire string to lowercase. And then this includes query to lowercase also. So if I am right, it includes. I'm not 100% sure if it works on strings and only arrays. Let's see. Okay, so I miss a parenthesis here. Okay, expected empty, instead got, oh. If the string isn't contained in any of the strings in an array, the method returns an array containing a single string, empty. Okay, so if this is empty, we have to return empty. So we have to store the result, which will be this. And then we can do something like return result, length is bigger than 0. If it is, return the result, otherwise return an empty, an array with empty. Okay. So that's done. Let's go to the other one. If you, any point in time you have questions, let me know. Oops. 1 second to fix my chair. Okay. Here we have some other solutions with regex. Yeah, I like mine better. Oh look, this one is nice. Okay. Next one. This time no story, no theory. The examples below show you how to write function a, they come later. Okay, examples: A, B, C, D, A, B, B, C, 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 D, 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 R, Q. Okay. So it basically takes all the letters here and then, based on their index, creates string with all the letters separated by a dash or a minus or whatever that is, and the letters increase by the index. Okay. Train. So we have a string. We need to convert it into an array. Yeah. Array will be string.split. Oops. Like that. Okay. Next. We have now, let's console log it so you can see what we have now. It's an array of all the letters. Z, P, G. We have this. So here we have Z, P, G, L, N, R, Q, E, and U. Okay. Now, because we want to have the first, only the first one is capitalized, but the others are lowercase, let's map it over with the, let's convert it to lowercase entirely. Oh, we can do that before the split. So to lowercase, like we did before, and then we split it. So now this Z and this U and this R should be lowercase. Okay, nice. Next, let's see. We can map over the array, use the index, and create this duplicate letters. Let's see, const duplicate or multiplier. I'm so bad with names. So array map, we take the letter, and we need the index also, and we do the following. So this has an index of 0, this has an index of 1. Okay. So we can return the letter plus a new array. We can create an array. New array of index. Then fill it with the letter. Okay. So basically this creates an array of size index and then changes all the elements in the index be the letter, and we can just join them together using a string. Let's console log this so we can see what happens. We have this, and then we can do this in one-liner also, but let's see for now if it works. Okay, so you can see P, G, G, L, 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 we have one P through 2 G's, 3 L's, and so on. Okay. But we have to capitalize this one. So letter to upper case, like that, and then we add the other string, and here at the end we do multiplier join, and we use the dash. Is it a dash or a minus? Whatever. Multiplier. Okay, now if everything's correct, should be done. All right. Does this make sense? So basically we convert this to the string to lowercase, so we don't have an issue with the cases, and then we split it to get all the letters. Then we map over it to create a new string here, like this GGG. We increase the, we transform the first letter to, oops, new subscriber, Pablo Juan Garcia. Hey, welcome to the channel. Okay, so then we do uppercase on the first letter. We create a new array of size index. We fill it with the letter and we join it to create a string. We add it to the first letter and then we join it again to create the final string. Laura, this is Codewars. Okay, and we can add this all together in a nice one-liner. So we split it, we map over it, we can do this and this, and at the end we can join it by the dash, and we can return this everything. Okay, like that. We have the map. Okay, this should work the same. It's just in one line. Oh, so Laura asks, is LeetCode, HackerRank or Codewars? Which one is better for you? I like Codewars the most because, I don't know, I got used to. I used HackerRank a lot a couple of years ago. Not a couple of years, a year or so ago, which was fun also. But then I found out about Codewars and I stick with it. Okay, let's see another one. Maybe this time we can try 6Q1. Oh, whoa, so slow. Let's see my speed test. Why it's so? Is it from me or is it from them? Alright, so here it is. Mine is pretty good. It's not the best, but I had more. So yeah, should be fine. Next kata. Okay, Cartesian neighbors distance. Whoa, I don't really am with this kind of stuff. Let's see. Previous kata. Okay, previous. We need to read the previous. So now let's go to another one of 6. Whoa, 5. Maybe we can do a 5 later. 4. Whoa. Okay, 6. Fibonacci, Fibonacci and friends. Oh man. If you completed, I haven't. Maybe we just let's go here. Click on 6 and find something interesting. Sum of digits, digital root. Let's see, this one was completed by a lot of people, so should be good. In this kata, you must create a digital root function. A digital root is a recursive sum of all the digits in a number. Given n, take the sum of the digits of n. If that value has more than one digit, continue reducing it in this way until a single digit number is produced. This is only applicable to the natural numbers. Oh, okay. Okay, this is fun. Let's do this. Great. Hey Rahman, nice to see you. I'm fine, doing some coding. How are you? We hit 3,000 subscribers, so that's good news. Okay, so we have here a number. and we need to do the sum of the digits, and usually I do another function for that. Digits sum. And because here we're going to use a while loop to check while it's bigger than 10, I mean 9, let's do that. While n is bigger than 9 and it's equals digits sum by n, like that. And now here we need to convert the number to string, split it to an array, convert the arrays to numbers, and then add them all together. So n to string, then split it to an array, then map over the array and transform them to numbers, and then use reduce to have an accumulator, the current value, and add the accumulator with the value and start with 0. Return n. Let's see. Does it work? Okay, that was fun. So we have a number here. We convert it to string in order to convert it to an array. Then we map over the array and convert the letters to number using the number function here. And then we use reduce to accumulate everything inside this accumulator. Every value we add it to the accumulator, starting with 0. Then we go over to the while loop. While the n is bigger than 9, so it's 2 digits, we have the n be digit sum, and we return it. This was easier than the one before. Too easy. Let's do another 6th one. I mean, I did the digit sum so many times, I know them by heart. Okay, let's wait for it to load. How are you guys? How it's your Saturday? Oh wow, look at this. This is so clever. N minus 1 modulus 9 plus 1. Whoa, this is so deep, I don't even understand it yet. Wow, nice, 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 nice. Very nice. So let's say we have 321. So here will be 320, and then modulus 9. Who knows that by that? Ugh. Never mind. This is clever. Some clever people around. Okay, save the rhino. Too much to read. Maybe we save it another time. Play me, Codewars runner number 2. Too much to read. I want something simple to read and understand and go with it. 7, yeah, Rahman, 756. I've been doing it for a while, so that's why. Look and say numbers. Okay. Oops. There exists a sequence of numbers that follow the pattern 1 1 1 2 1 1 2 2 1. Oh, so 1 1 1 2 1 1 2 and 1 1 1 2 1 1 1 1 1 1 2 2 1. Write a function that, given a starting value as a string, returns the appropriate sequence as a list. The starting value can have any number of digits. The termination condition is to be defined by the maximum number of iterations. Nah. So boring. Sorry. Ebby, hi. How are you? Thanks for joining. We're doing some coding challenges. And we have 3,000 subscribers, so yay! Okay. Is integer array? Well, write the function with the signature shown below. Function is int array return true. Returns true if every element is in an array is an integer or a float with no decimals. Returns true if array is empty. Returns false for every other input. What? Okay. So, if array length less than 1 or 0, return true. Then if every element in an array is an integer. Let's see, how do we check that? Array every, we have the value equals with plus value. So if it does, then probably a number. If it is, return true. Otherwise, return false. And this we can do this in a ternary operator. So return that. Not ternary, just that. Oh, I forgot here parentheses. Gabriel Mora. Hey Florin. Hey, how are you? Okay, whoops. So 5 passed, 1 that didn't. Cannot read property length of null. Okay, so if array is different than null and oh, so yeah, we have to check that if it's an array. I think there is a check is array. Let's see. JavaScript is array. If I'm wrong, oh, not wrong. Oh, array is array. Okay. So we can do if array is array. That's so dumb. So if it's not an array, return false. Then if it is an array but length 0, return true. But this also, I think the every will work for this case too. I'm not sure. Let's check. So let's see. Here in the console, let's bump this up a little bit. Let's say we, oops, like that. Let's say we have a let array be an empty array. And see, array every item is 1. True, even though we don't have array. So that works. Input 1, 2, 3 expected false, instead got true. Oh man. Input -1, 2 expected false, instead got true. So it shouldn't be a floating point. How do we check for that? Every element in an array is an integer or a float with no decimal. We can do math dot. So it has 1.001. Oh, we can just check to be equals with math.seal this value. Because if it's something like 0.001 and if we do seal on it, it will be 2. And then it won't be equal. So let's check for that. Submit. Oh, okay. That worked. Perfect. So Abby Tom says, why not use typeof? That's a good question. Why not? Because maybe I forgot about it. Also, but yeah, typeof array, not sure, it's return array. I avoid that because it has some quirks sometimes, so for some reason I avoid it. But yeah, might be good. Sergio, hi, welcome to the stream. Let's find another 6k. Is a prime number. Define a function that takes in an integer and returns a logical value true or false depending if the integer is a prime. A prime number is a natural number greater than 1 that has no positive divisors other than 1 and itself. Okay. You can assume you will be given an input, an integer. You can also not assume that the integer will be only positive. You may be given a negative number as well as 0. No fancy optimizations. Okay, let's do that because you might want to see if a number is prime. And we can do this by looping over through the path and see if let's see, let me think. So we have the number which is 0. 0 is not a prime, 1 is not a prime, 2 is a prime. Okay, so let's save a flag is prime, which will be true, and then if we find out that it's not, we'll change this, and at the end we'll return number is prime, like that. And here we can say is prime. If it is, it's empty string. If it's not, it's a not. So this will say the number is prime. We check if it's prime. Okay. And here we can do a for loop starting with, let the I equals 2. We want to start from 2 and go until ILS equals then number divided by divided by 2 until the half of it. I think that was I++, and then we can check here if the number modulus I is 0, then it means it has a divider, so is prime will be false, and we can break out of the loop. And this is a for loop, sorry. Hope that makes sense. Run sample test. So is space. We don't need a space here. This one is not prime, like that. Yep. So yeah, as Laura said, it's a for, not an if. Yep, we fixed it. I less than equals than 2. Expected false. He said Oh, what did I do? I returned this? Oh man, we just need to return false here. No break, and here return true. And we don't need this check. I saw this and I thought that we need to return this. This is confusing. Okay, sorry about that. So we only need to return false or true. Let's see. Ooh. Is it just me or Codewars is slow? One is not prime, expected false, instead got true. Okay. I forgot about the cases. If number less than 2, return false. Okay, this is a test case. Ishan says that I less than n. No, we don't need to go all the way up because timed out. Okay, so yeah, it's still not fast enough. There was a thing. We can go like +2. Yeah, because all the numbers, all the even numbers are out by default. But then we start with 2. It's not okay. We need to start with 1, but then it won't check for 2. I want to speed it up. This is why I'm thinking of a way to speed it. We can also start with 1, go like 3, 5, 7, 9. And have a special case for 2 here. If num is 2, return true. Yay, another subscriber, Mike. Hello, Mike. Welcome to the channel. Okay. Yeah, this is no good. This was a way for, so it doesn't have to go up to the number. We just go to the logarithmic or something fancy. What? Lower. If num modulus 1 different than 0, return true. Maybe return false as default, so we can skip the first if condition. Not sure what you mean. So let's get back here. But we don't need to go up to the number. We don't have to check all the numbers. Should be a way. 70 is prime, expected true, instead got false. Why? Why was false? I don't know. Oh, because it started with 1. Oh man. This is interesting. Okay, I have an idea. We can start with 2 and here add, but this is already starting to be pretty dumb. Incremental b1, and here we can do incremental b2. So we first start with 2, go to 3, and then go 5, 7, 9, and so on. But yeah, this is a trickery. I don't like it. Here is the trick. We don't have to go up to the half of it. I think. Again, 75 is not prime. Expected falls into that true. Why? Oh man. Doing something wrong. I did this function so many times, but now I forgot what was it. It was some secret to the power. Oh well. This was the trick to speed it up, because now it doesn't work like this because it's too slow. We need to speed it up. And we can speed it up by not going to F. Matpow. SQRT. Mat SQRT of num. I think this was it. Only to the square root. Yeah. So we don't have to go above the square root of the number. I knew it was a trick, but I forgot. So yeah, that was it. This goes faster and everyone is happy. Okay. var2 less than num if num returns 0. Return false, return 2 bigger than or equal than 0. It's weird how it works for him, but it doesn't work for us. It does the same thing and goes up to the num. That's weird. Whoa, this guy is crazy. Sets all the numbers. Weird. Okay. Codewars is slow. Let's refresh. Not sure why it's so slow. Let's do one more. Maybe try a 6, we did 6, 5, a harder one. With maybe some extra functions and stuff like that. Codewars like that. Come on, Codewars, don't let me down. I need you to work. Okay, and 5. Let's see something fun. Complete the triangle pattern, reverse parentheses, interleaving arrays. Whoa, this all sounds so fancy. Like the oops, RGB to hex conversion. Okay, I wanted to do this for a while, so this should be fun. So let's do that. We're giving RGB and we need to create a function which converts basically this to 6th base, 16 base. And if I'm not wrong, maybe I am, there is a way to do that using parse. Let's see. Parse int. Moses says, I need to start a project for JavaScript, been learning for 3 months. Any recommendations? Yes. Go to my 100 days, 100 projects challenge and find some projects there. I'm going to paste the link in the chat. Find some projects there and do it yourself. Or maybe find other projects. Do those and you'll be golden. Okay, let's read the documentation for parsing. Okay, so function passes a string argument and returns an integer of the specified radix. The base mathematical numbers. Radix, an integer between 2 and 36 that represents the radix, not base in mathematical number system of the string. Be careful, this does not default to 10. Okay, so this is the other way around. So we can't use this? Okay. How to do this? So basically we need to have a function convert to base 16 like that, and we take in a number. Does the toString method have something like that? Not sure. Let's see. But nah, I don't think it had. So we can only convert from another base to 2. I mean to 10. Yeah, I don't know how to make a converter to base. So let's see. If we have something like 255, it should be FF. 160, sorry, 54 should be FE. Yeah. We learned something in school about this, but that was some time ago. 163 should be FD. So FC, FB, FA, and F9. F9 should be, let's see if I can find a pattern. 49. Okay, let's Google it. So, the way to convert base 10 to 16. Let's see. I don't want a converter, I want to build one, but first I have to learn how to do it. Convert to extension. Okay, let's see. 164 should be. What? This is nuts. I think you can use hex. What do you mean, Laura? So with that, I don't think so. We we divide by 16, we get 3 left, then 1 up, move down the 5, we divide again, we get 2 up and 3 down, divide again, we get 122. This is 0. Okay, and we do that again. I start to get it slowly, but let's see again. So we divide, we see what's basically the number remaining. Oh, okay. I think I get it. So we do the met that, no, the remainder of the modulus operator, and we get the first, and then what we do the division, and we get the last. Am I right? Laura says that we can use your number to string 16. Let's see. That's right. So return parse int hex string 16. So let's see, r to string 16. This works. C or 3 doesn't. Let's see, plus g to string 16 and plus b to string 16. Whoa, that's something, but oh look, this worked. This didn't. Oh, but that's because this is not the right value. What happened? The RGB method is incomplete. Complete the method so that parsing RGB decimal values will result in hexa blah blah blah. The value decimal values are 0 to blah blah blah. Any RGB argument values that fall off the range should be rounded to the closest valid value. Okay, so that's weird. We need to round it up. And then we'll... Thanks, Laura. I knew about to string something, but I wasn't sure, so I haven't tried. So let's round it up first. Let's see. R equals to R bigger than 255 will be 255. Sorry, bigger than 255. Otherwise, R less than 0 will be 0. Otherwise will be R, and we can do this for all 3 of them. So basically we do this to keep it within range. G, 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 and here will be RGB. B, 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 oops, and B. And here we can use this to uppercase. Uppercase. We can do this for all of the 3 of them, and it should be done. Oops. Oh. So yeah. Didn't work on the following argument array. Expected, instead got... Oh yeah, so if it's less than 10, it should be 2 zeros. Okay. Ankit, hello Florin, good morning. Hello, good morning. Whoa, it's morning there. Where are you from? Okay, so let's do something else. Here we're going to do R string this uppercase. So we cover these cases. G, G, and B, B. And then here when we return, we can check. See, you know what, let's do it again. This is not the cleanest, but If r is less than, oh wait, how do you know it's less than 10 if it's a string? Need to convert it to a number and then check. Or not? Can do this here. Why is it still a number? I think. Let's try, because why not? Let me combine it here, RGB, like that. And here we can do r equals, is r less than 10? If it is, do this. Otherwise, do r. Good morning, it's actually 1 AM. Oh wow. Yeah, good morning to you then. It's good night. RGG. This is so not clean. But if it does the job for now, it's okay. Let's see. This should work now for all the cases. I failed. Okay, let's see why. Okay. Oh, you know what? Nah, I'm wrong. We can check if the string has only one letter. If it does, we can append 0. And then it solves the both case. So r.length is, let's see, less than 2. If it is, we append a 0. Ishan, are you a night owl or early bird? I'm both. I sleep late and I wake up early. Okay, so we submitted. It's not the cleanest solution, but it works. Thanks, Laura, for helping. Let's see this method. Okay, so 2 hex. D less than 0, return 0, 0. D is bigger than 255, return FF. Okay, that's obvious. Then return 0 plus number D, a string. Slice minus 2 to uppercase. Okay, that's pretty clever. Okay. Alright, I think that's it. What else should we do? Do you have any questions? We can take some questions and then maybe go watch something. I mean, I'll go watch something. Let's see. We can deminify this, close this, okay. Oh wow, it's an hour and 15. SROSL. Hello, hello to you too. How are you? Oh wow, we almost hit 800, which I think it's nice. Let me see what this says. Okay. I'm talking with a friend about doing some stream overlays, which should improve. Let me show you what I found. I mean, he found it. Where is it? Here, and then this one. The focus one. Look at this. Does it have some images somewhere? No, it doesn't. Just the video. But it looks really nice. Oops. No sound for now. This looks really nice. And we might buy this and he will help with designing it. You are fine, but everyone's offline. Yeah, except me. Look at this stream overlays and all that. Really nice. I like it. Should improve the stream a lot. We currently have the alerts set up with Streamlabs. So it doesn't work always, but yep. Sometimes they do. Let's see. Alert box. And here, oh yeah, test test subscriber. Look, I subscribed to my own channel. Test super chat. When we'll have this. I donated $35 to my own chat. That's fun. Okay. The super chat will be will be alive when we reach the monetization. Laura is asking if I'm moving to Twitch soon. I am on Twitch. I just like to stream on YouTube. Ankit asks, hey, do you know about how Brave rewards work? No, but there is a link somewhere. I received it. I'm not sure where it is now. Which should say more about that. I don't have Brave rewards yet. Although I've been using Brave for 6 months or so. Maybe even more. Let's see, how far are we to get monetized? You need to go. Have a good time. Thanks, you have a good time too. Okay. Whoa, this looks like nice. Watch later. If we go to YouTube Studio and we click here on the monetization tab, we should see how far we are. Yep, 3,100 public watch hours left. That's the most hard thing to do. We already have 3,000 subscribers, yay! That's nice. So we need to do these public hours, which we'll probably get, and I want to get it by the end of March. So fingers crossed. Let's see, although in the analytics tab here, if we watch the overview and say the last 90 days, you can see that we have 1K here. Not sure why it doesn't appear. And yeah, look at the days I've been streaming. 100 hours a day. Maybe tomorrow in the live stream we'll do some more hours. Yep. Ankit says that I'll get there sooner than March. Yeah, let's hope. The sooner the better, right? Make sure you join tomorrow's live stream. Should be fun. Because we're going to build a landing page from scratch. Let's see, from Front-End Masters. Front-End Mentor. Not sure which one. I have to check all of them to see which one is doable in, like, I don't know, 2 or 3 hours. This looks nice. Oh man, that's a lot. Let's see. Look at that. So we have a header, an image here, image here. Oh, it's not that much. Timing, please. I'm not sure what you mean, Ankit. I'm not sure what you mean. I like this one also, how it looks. We have a header and a navigation, and here these icons with the text. Here, whoa, here it has a section. This will be interesting to build. And a mobile, I guess. Oh, okay, decent. We need the icons. Yeah, should be fun. Oh, timing for the live stream tomorrow. It will be at 5 p.m. But you can also go to my page. And if you go here on my page, click on 1 second for it to load. Here on my page. And then click on here, upcoming live streams. You can go to this live stream. Oh, you know what? Let me paste it here. So you can go to that page and click a reminder. And you can also see it will be 19 hours. I should take the vote for what page should we build. Oh, looks so funny. 2 people disliked it. That's so funny. We didn't do anything yet and it has 2 dislikes. Welcome, trolls. Okay. Yep. So this one is also nice. I mean, all the landing pages here are nice. And maybe we have to use, let's see, this one. I think I'll do this. This looks nice. Has navigation, a header, these nice boxes with images, and this fancy box here, and the footer. Let's see, a mobile. Everything goes like that, which is okay. I should ask people, let's see, on Twitter, let's see, for tomorrow's live stream, which landing page from front end mentor do you want me to convert to HTML CSS? Check them out here. And maybe we can add a poll so it will be easier for people to vote. Let's see. We can do fill a dark theme as the first choice. The second choice will be, where is it? This one, Huddle landing page. Huddle. Oh man, are there multiple huddles? Let's see, this one is hard. Whoa, this one is fancier. It has a FAQ. Nah, this takes longer. One question regarding React.js from Ankit. What would you prefer for state management, Redux or Context API? I would use Context API because I don't know Redux that well. I mean, I've learned it, I've used it, but I don't use it enough, so yep. Laura, I have a project that needs improvement on the front end part and it's only HTML and CSS. You can have a look if you want. What kind of improvement? Like design wise? Okay, that's that. We have that. Bookmark landing page maybe for some else. Clipboard. And let's see. Add the landing page with curve section. Whoa. I haven't done this curve section yet. I think it's SVG. You can have a HTML and CSS wise, it's not responsive. Ishan asks, any plans for design reviews live stream? I'm not a designer, unfortunately. I can convert any design you want into HTML and CSS, but I can't create design yet. I'm learning at the moment how to do it. Maybe in the future I will be able. Below 2-column layouts. Oh, this is pretty nice also. And Kid says that in interviews they ask about Redux. Prefer Redux. Yeah, I know. It's not fun. I mean, at the end, whatever does the job, but yeah. Which one should we choose? Bookmark. Let's add this bookmark landing page, although this has JavaScript. Yeah, it has. But if people want this, let's give them 19 hours. Oh, 18 hours. Quit. Okay, let people vote for that. I won't even look very much over them because I want to be first sight. So it will be much visible. Can you hear me if I sit back here on the chair? Or do I have to move my mic here? Oh, okay, I can move my mic closer. Ishan, I have to go tomorrow my interview. Interview? What kind of interview? Congrats for 3K. Thank you. Thank you for being part of the 3K. It doesn't work anymore, right? Yeah, it doesn't work. Oops, not here, not here, not here, not here. Whoa. What's with this, YouTube? What happened? Here. And then here. Let's see. How many subscribers? 3008. Nice. We got a couple more subscribers, which is great. Software development interview. Well, Ishan, I wish you the best on your interview. I really wish you do a good job. And nevertheless, enjoy the experience. I really like doing coding interviews because you can test your skills, you can see what's required in the market, and yeah, just have fun. The more interviews you do, the better you'll get. So do as many as you want and can, of course. Okay, I think I'll wrap up also. Thank you all for joining. Don't forget tomorrow at 5 p.m. UTC plus 2. It will be a big live stream. So you should join. Thanks all for joining. See you tomorrow. And Kid, congratulations on 3K. Thank you. Thank you very much. And thank you for being part of them. Have a good night. Bye.